Tuesday, I drop a year and starting program. Popular request by popular demand at the last you will come down with your woman. A couple of your other country. They are one of my Katibobia son titibela mune mote Katibobia son titibela Hey you to have you know it Hey woman up Hey because you money Then to my bottle until your papu kapit yung Udazele ba kamar gayale neba dwara bekira ay Jabane kachupana Kotumu padani chinchini no shenema ntobi kayale Oyelo daseba pargo kasuru zawunna Munamba obu bali Zanchang titi banda no de mekale obey bansam Kaya no mon la puli nda so abiania Chirichi go bitwara no chirichia Nyama bayu ni beda no shamba kwa yule galalala So come and take it tamango. Oh Lord, Mbila no pang kabada wale. Tayo kamayeli. Agum dia sung titibela. Bombia sung titibela. Aguni muje. Katibobia sung titibela. Mune muje. Katibobia sung titibela. Mune muje. Katibobia sung titibela. Mune muje. Katibobia sung titibela. Yaga, hey. Yaga yo. Yaga yo. Yaga oh Woman woman dongo Bito araba I woman da ila bal sumbongo Tete me le bute mia le pela buta mia Kai tenum ko umbar karabeli Diballa tina malli kapalala mobya anukuli Kene pelum mamba pemilel buni kapuku pa he Ay mabonza lumpura awong Nevutanda kuyun soli Nidiri yibahe de kire kafe Atinye polwele tiso Mutawa sala yoma Kabana pulima Ntami yamale sole sogo Nekwambe la darsi Leka forma Kabasati pamleya Yamataka Nidi sumo kabasa yeti Tubonga sentibela Nitik pamwati mankati zangti sa anang tibi ngomania Nung wumsiba na adalci ni wuntizo Nitakadin di tizungo Na wul gafara ni kabasa yeti iti ya Dinya shambala Yila ma yel yetu amazan Hatila kashaliti yel de puni By popular demand Popular request mbalama Atalata delma Programa tinda ayin startele katisan ya yil ma startele ka bolsi ma yina yoma ne kantanga ne bugum yina ma nyaasam pa katiya ye da bacira dan labna ta fahayim na an gafara ka tin amfana dan bere puniya mimi Mimia Neya Saya Wanu Yunibon Muhammad Hafiz aka G Face Shitopina Yasi Yanga Plichin Pitum Kapison Karasu Gumble Bumperle Notorle and never know Waria Pupa nativos on Chakasu Palgana Karmalanya Konyo Chokolia Chakayati Gana Balama Apia Atuzo Ayanga upon Suxum nativos of Woma or Chalmakajara and Novius Fushifa Jambia Karapun Nidrugos of Tubula Al Quran and Kumfa Yakuno Nuzazo Katabub Kafne Nekanala Karanyetimia. Now one guy for a dakon pamayan the kazungle in your bon trouble, the kazum in your bully, and the kanyara yetim. Now one guy for a check and latte gaya. No corashan in tablet here, nanga for a double level bully, Nambale bullia, check and latte gaka bounty quanti carla gillohe, to his on the lemon bully jamdia, dinya shambala, don't die and near Tiazo. Koba dabsene te paga hala kutu tuba Allah ramato ya denye shambala jakan lallam na titega ka ba na paano guru ka bobo bi hanade paladi en lumya ne nahila mi kutu tum segoro zo komi ya on gile in gile ka gile ya okay dia Asuru ya ne te ka hafizo pupa na ya menasin food spices lisi tomato mix and tupa whirlpool and tupa apple motors no Quran kiosk Mr. Red Absolute Motors banambe arsikiti mapuno ka programu maka da kanama dene dene NTV trending show dene den chana ka te sang le trana asabrana atalata ya yes zungo programu maya ti ya ko en la headline stories te basham kasan interview gandele sang tana ya la interview mama de yitum ko ya polo North East region man pulgo ya alma bala ban tulli beni ma kara drop yi la ka bolle la particular yi la mama ya ne sam yu la sam yu mama Nash one yes great artist mbalama high life artist nyoko be man pulgo ya alma ka drop la yi la maya ka feature ngone one of the greatest legend we have Abu Sadiq Polenga mbalama ko nomu pole la yi la ma punia ka de video ma mala enfant pam kata baga la kaule yen Nash one yela munyen kana na pam ma kata sang la video ngoma ta ya okay but poy kala interview ngoma na kana ndoko bor man te person 2-3 headline stories poy kana na bana titara yeto hashal dembian ya yes parliament vote against Mahama Ayarga motion to scrap off the share fees la yeto alama yes parliament da jinia Allah mishi dalmaya ka shawara babu puni kada da wona kaman Mahama Ayarga munye boku ya le boku centra MP balama ko da zan yeto ashal in zan te parliament nama yeto ama nyedene ni tertiary schools bandan baga kaman polytechnics bandan baga kaman universities bandan baga kaman training colleges shanga dem biene ni yunu ngo pulma bayen ko sukuru be parliament bam pum bien ma za ha no gwamnati nir na pasolo no ka debe shukuru fisila nan zam no nyo ana ka be ngoma to chan shukuru ka bo yo de ba bande corona kana te namdir bo pam ka arziki bomma min dabilim ka da lab nyanga pa ko zan la hankal ngoma an zan son parliament ne be leh mo so voto no voti a yarga be nyen nasara ya parliament min tele na ku nyabi duara ne yo ma fis ten kana te leh den nabiyal fu ya okay kana ci labal shel dem paye katien ko le new regional minister Texas Nick Mr. Shanim Balama mitlamone you can be sure the outgoing regional minister na won ka fara uranya la won regional minister palle so ten le resongo ma marhaba o office puni no mino po hati yo tabaka banyanya banyam pili shawara ne sham kan won chan ngoma min mun kan ngoma ka bonnol pataba onda tumsan shepulula na won ka fara ka Mr. Shanim kana te to le ka suchira bagal si chandama puni ya de ballah bel kat yen zang le taya okay kana chenchi lahbal shel dem paya kat bonne te ko le the state of old appointees in the next Nanado's government Mimia. The state of the old appointees in the next Nanado's government. Lela store mama konko dia ko borla wana wa. Deni nyedene. Yedi da nan kan last election shelton da nan la. 2016 kana wunda nan katar kan Nanado ko radila la election mama. Ka election ma win ma da wuyen Nanado the MPP would form a government. Kan nan nin trebo ka piga nan position ne. Lela posu mama anda gbble yuma na be yuma tabe yuma yika gbble tumpa shi sahashal mo azanya la dene nananara ta pos 4 years tumpa shi sahashal mo azanya la dene wura ka da gbble amal korsen na akpalam anda be shelma aborto ni chende ni new post wura ka yen zan banda ta post kurna shella mboden na beton kanna ada gbselo ma fe yelanga ada son party ma din da nan ka party ma mal abukata na son sam be ara patla office ka tahra and party boys ka tahra ba son kataba the grassroots wula ka da user office ma okay tin ya de babial fu ya kana njenche Rollins lay to rest na won gafara bana san jilma lana fla lieutenant JJ Rollins nchangtu song o ya nam toni ya mati ya kulma tammalla shin te fala kuna yongo ntammalla ni mo pam de so Rollins Daniel bon so o ya polo malama katele mal shawara pam ne dabbangon nan bayen te vakul ma kuna yongo ntamal ya hatana bora dabsele ne te tahlala bango ma te ndar yana ka dabbang za hanan bayen di ka te vakul ma kuna te mal tana bora woni ya jingbang ne ya wun bang lana ne butana bora ban yina ti jenim ba Rollins mun banguna na nga fara marzo hamnya ni zo mala Rollins uni parama falma ka tan pompilma no liga shel kan ya Rollins ne ma pune falma den na pama na bo ni parama liga Avier Bargarwa, Rollins Swell Bear, the new Parawa, then can that be managing bang. So tell a little bit to Yanya, can I change another one? Okay, the Senate 2020 election in the Supreme Court. Yes, Nketianya won't appear in the witness box. Yeah, yes, 2020 election, Tunka Hoya, Amonda, Asanda Tona, Asanda Yanga election shelter Danala, that will go for a say Dunketia. When your main witness in the NDC over appear you go to ya, the way to Abian Katia Yellow Belfu, Kanati Fatland, the young pool. Okay, Grace Concert Manila on launches. Kada kanu umbol media ntopa industry players no kana titi shahara ne yilishal on dropi kayen sang le promote social on yen na wonne santi yeve paga on 27th ma te sa hada nyala bambini ndadi shahara nyenye la particular Grace Concert mama denye junction ya kana chenche Gafachi the rich rapper. Gafachi the rich rapper, real is real abba manyala den yina ya da danan katare ka alamishi dalma balama be alaba dalma balama o badanya la ngun kanu umbol industry players ntenang album listening track by track abanyele nkarinyela kamania lala album listening ngoma okay nikarati yala de baye to abian bielfu ya Gafachi the rich rapper, real is real album is now out on your media platforms ma anto bonyele ya de chankantanga chakan labna titega ka bang na minasen le si tomato mix square pool and electronics ntepa Apple Motors Quran kiosk ne Mr Red Moto moto sambalama Asonic main showroom ambala en de la talan kalamna ne labna ka tsarsen na nti wana headline stories mo belfu kasan interview mata ya den channel on NTV ne labna.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Apsonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Apsonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if young people want to buy moto, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajevia Konsashi, Nigera Shelwanyela Yung Saborle, Ake Yuma Karabara, Yingba Makaragarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalabra Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Fiapta Motonema, Tangamoto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wago Blanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Guzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamalza, Bamber Zuyan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Quand on camion de Absonic Moton Polonguna, Ben Lava Jimjimani, Motom Manga, Araha Pierre, Guzul Dinanya Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Soya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanya Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, Then Michel Welgerala, Campernum Moboir Pam, Habi Dungeon de Sogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kianum Biani, Aloba Denyo Quambienla, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tessani, Chirata Susuna Katian Servicer Letterale, Dominic Paton Manga Biani, Cariza and the Kala Patul Cam, Kazonzon Galenyele, Chirata Susuna Kamotongo Yemel Mosugo, Anto Lapsana Katata, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise San Antuna Chang, and Tegul Piga Absonic Moto Kamambora, Kabanondon to Kamatamata, Tome Absonic Tomadoso Karlama, Basatela Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise, Nemoquara Absonic Motonimo, and Ternir Kamdakbang Waza, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje San Makaicha, Alanya Benelli Motos, the Bakul Pipe Showroom, Champ Will Pargam, Blambal RFT 150 Mapuka, NNT 150, NNT 150 Sports, Caraviel Fini, Todenka Giabara, Luciano Babiane, Passa Camboirle, TRK 251, Dama Moto Balbo Cam, Bele Absonic Motonemo, Ne Benali Motonemoza, Mr. Red Shop Money, Mr. Red Shop Mabiela Waterworks, Ayi Trampolo Sergerna, and Yagana Water Regional Laboratory, Katuru Moto Kwasoma, to Mr. Red Shituamambala, Ami Tumpunbe Waterworks Sergerna, Mr. Red Shituamam feel free Bama Palataba, Wama Mr. Red Shituamayala, when Nabanam Yela 0243 137223, 020 6136 730.
right. Eya saya. Neya saya. But there was a de Zon Sahakania, Sahama Kulbe Satama, but Talana Poka Paminas and Etapa Tomato mix. Whirlpool and Electronics, Ntupa Apple Motors, Nukuran Kios, Mr. Red Motors, Absolute Showroom, Mambala, Barambe Pamampuna, Arizikika Programma, Karakanamaya. Okay, Tuku Saragama Bahaya, but pray, Kanaz headline stories matter. Special announcement can born no last special announcement Maya. Dunyala Amana can born in Yele. And Dina Kabita Man, Dipa shall Angumla Lahbalma. La Balma could trend and Muganda had to be social media can live on Akunole. Halmanda Bella and Permoa Kamania, team la to Amayelen, and it's very simple. Sister Sobian Katabondo, Sister Mama Indomi. Ata Asibi, Ate Sibi Palema, Uncle Melegale in China. Before Kana Paga Ate Sibi, and Nuzazo, Munja Quare Indomima. Niye to Ashelena, Ungorgan the Young, Nicola Shirma Yaman Kamania. Ne passo umbe Oyidan Yang. Ne kabazongo tepua nta halala nirma mi gba ko harla indomi kalala nirma ma yulle man la tepre ngo ma yulma ma kan nirba pam les ansel su ma milla system mama indomi kab yarma naw min nang la katare ko bana ma tamaha de son ne ben yar ka bon la yulma ne nirba pam milla mun system mama ma kab yarma nuko le borno su selo jande ne kape o baba no zomba tuma nawni o nyala mun shirma tama amma mun biela o yidan yile o min o yidan yadda puni kala tama ho makaranan hal mun nabi o yidan yile hal o yidan nan bolma mana nti yelma yitu ama sa hadiya mala ne nyeshale no so no to zom nawni ban tahara ne kaman bum zang de so bourserma ne kan won bala system mama mun be left kwara indomila o wi yo yidan yile mun mi mala poa o yidan yile ko be hal kala la pluma tan ne bandar o bentira ngoma ne umma be bambe yoma ne kantanga ne ban zang le chanchama ne bo pammi languna hal ko o de o indomi darbama ka shab kan natelle rubi ka shab zor karangal la kaman ye tahshel nya ne kamuni ya bahanya solo de zo balle ne kaman bobone yulma ne kamuna system mama indomi la system mama indomi ngoma ne kamun kala la yeto alngoma kar jandama de zo so me nawo di nan ka wumle ka so ba wumle shapulu bi ka so kanata manda da shawara nin ci ko ban ne kaman system mama indomi kangun kabayar na o yida yile bi o malafu ka bi o yida yile ngoma ya la ba shel don ko biya nan bala drama lan nan bo halbo nda yerle o da ko ro because on na ko shel ngoma ma mi shi shanga bien ka ngala pa de malan nan bo especially if it got to do with pa yibu min pa ko dem pipam because bi to aranyo o mi din yen chan kantan te labna sham nti dio de zone to zone na woni ka cha ka selu ban kamal la yeto algo ma kan wona balama ya yes sister mama mino indomi darma za ha te pour ka pa su kama za hanan ban yindi and of course okay te labna bo story de ka tere ko ma parliament voted against Muhammad Ayarga motion to scrap off tertiary fees okay this year balama la story ngoma ya on ko problem on woble ka te sang le chan ya Muhammad Ayarga wonye beaucoup central MP ma oda yimanani ye to ale representing the minority side in parliament to tana jeon ba tebla hami ngumme okay Brian no wo gum pakunye majority because from the MP ma da no bono no business with the MPP so ba ni majority doya to Muhammad Ayarga nda yinani ye to ale parliament kala o ye to ale ma nyama ne kamana ya ne samse no gomdanti yina ntizan nan bwaw ntwe bidwarba ne be bammal korsen ne be chang shukoto yuno tertiary students man bala bandang bagi kaman polytechnics bandang bagi training colleges bandang bagi university bandang new students ya banchan ma ne bampum bian ma no gomdanti ne yina antena de ban shukur fisi nzang mi o manga ka dalir ma de wo ma nyala no kuru na ngoma na kan ngoma nirin naham da pilim pam kan nirbo pam da pilim karabu chena de zodi nan ka shukur fisi ngoma ba shabian ba shukur fisi nyala 30 million shabian 40 million shabian 20 million ka bidwar ma di pachel o mal bihayi be o mal bi no ko ne ko improvement na yulla 20 million be 30 million ngoma kayen da books min kayen da binyara ka pingo ma chan shukurma ne de me bidwar ba pam ne so no gomnati ne yina entena dele ka bien la yetu alngoma briku to san yalla la ka bon na sati ya ne shebe sang le parliament na wonda nan katarka alami shidalma ka bara sang le parliament ya ka parliament nan ban kene te kal sere puni ka bien ne vote be yan vote ma nyanya ba sati ka gomnati dele be o sati ka bara yina te vote ka vote ma nyanga ka gwamnati sadia no ku de la assemblée ma zo no ku de le biane ne dam pun samsen ran sham non son covid ne naham shaba no gwamnati ma no targa ne reso ni di la yen riyina te di la assemblée ngoma ngona ne ren te lege yeto amosale nzang to gwamnati latibo de ba bande covid ma ne ren ku nam so kam sham ne la karan nam gwamnati ngoma to le yeto al ngoma le nang ma nam po an yole pa. And I'm thinking that, I mean, which people voted against that motion, man? Come on, which people in parliament voted against that motion, voted against the fact that the government should absorb fees this year? Wato yinam non okay. Yinam non okay. MP ne maki lagra saria. Kino file kamania. Shukur be moma. How many students are in Ghana? Karduko ya gwamnati di daily. Be hadun kulube non sama. Dabo cherza. Gwamnati na to de at least 50%, be 60%, be 70% of la shelbende you. Shukur fees man rin 50 million, be 40 million. 5,000, be 4,000. Ka gwamnati de kaman 2,000. Be 3,000. Kache den pele ma ka bidwar ma ka bugo yotiza hami covid ne kana anya nirbu pambanda be tumana close me champion bambalba ala la lockdown da kuno ma kaman 3 months balama banda be ankara min kuma haja alngona ayukuru hal scraps dealers daniela problem business dan taba karati yina no den nan amfani kalala de ma de kare no gwamnati fundi lagrapa wa ID ma covid ma da amal la fan tunda tuar covid da malar tutu pon hade zo tana ba mi lagna ma den tin non shale covid ma kun nan ya ma san hagal election nira yen non politician ma ira ba che loro nam do yibu darpam still ira tatala nir bil arwan the street they were vote buying everywhere zumo shukur fi su yoba ki pa yatte kaman covid na la gwamnati hal and that's already spent much into covid, so for that matter we could absorb it. Shame on you guys. Gula karko in kalala shawara ngoma babu karko ni very simple. De ba ma kabidu araba kababa banka man okay fukum suma na kanate parka mi kam gansha ngoma ya gwamnati nan de la sam ngoma at least maybe next year dinan ka business na malan labna bidu araba ku to ya nari de me every year you araba shukur fees nim tarba be ngoma wadan da ba san nan campaign ma free SHS na nan campaign ma ngona den yola katahra. But because this one was not used on a campaign platform or it was not part of the manifesto, or because it is coming from the NDC, for that matter, the way like NDC is not a score point. Is that the argument? And who suffers at the end? The common parent. Alright, let us story ngomaya. Tukwe yelle mobiela kachale san limani ya. Okay, God willing nila nye saha kere puni ya. On the next one, chakata pole chang saha makani ya. New regional minister designate, Mr. Sani meets you can be sure. Okay, on a very quick one ya. Nukwe yelle sham Mr. Sani bumpigu so no olete regional minister la. Na won gafara opoha da yole no regional minister kuro. Temiso Salifu Said you can be sure la. Kasawara da bagi dunkuye no sham koto yelo kamara okay tuma onda tum le sal shalmono o ban kanama o yen to le shalmono ya yes mabu pun yel ne sambi wale o do la tan bijiya di ku pashale on go hona yil sol ko ban ya ashishel dem bele la tuma ma puni shawara dem biani o bu pro okun pama o bu yel ne bu papilo bare so ngunu ku kana on yen tum shel ko yen tum ya o chama ko po hayo ga regional minister kuroma be mun na yir ngoma ko go hodin yen sham na won ga fara ka tuma ma ka chen fe nyala ngapa filmu ma mamman kan nan su pelle pa because di nan ka so be tuma na tira ka ba kan na tala nyala na mino ka po hayuru taba ka bande yen no sham bari chakar malla kamande yen sel na targa ngoma shawara pam na biane ka ba yen bara na taba don ko chaka region ma za ha kana nan amfani ya hanni ma ngba da bazane regional minister designate ma urana nyala mun ko na pon mpa ndaniya na yayin tundong nan balama tene morlan sana balama anda ta pohi kasan umman wo gbolma no onu po so kala la chandu ma karato chang fa yanga ya be ba per chairman samba ngonda be fu kom se pu ne kala la chandu ma karachang inta pa MPP regional executive me pam ma za hanan banyedi banda san regional minister designate ma so ngo chang ntan ya na ko to pu ka papam kasan umman wo kara chang fa yanga ya okay de ba yeto ama to ko en ma jiyama yala yen number time na bor sa hanin kila yeto ama punia the state of appointees ma de ba yeto arabian kan yella pa ba ne chedan because the borla sahapa okay quick one check out kana ta ko Farlanda young pool na won something you on the 27th of next month Mbalama Fadlanda Young Pool Nyala Ngoyen non concert Alhaji Aliou Mahama Sports Stadium Kabol in the Grace concert la particular Grace concert ngomaya o drop la track with the video na zan accompagner la show ngomaya yes ala badelma Mbala ora gala noa mbol industry players and pa media men ma san hanang bayina na kana ntugum la yina ngoma kanye video ngoma ni drop sham Clinton Lodge and Restaurants ma kala la shina ngoma karadashin ya industry players ma banda bien pam DJ Carlos Mr. Telnama yes BIG Malik nama I mean all the industry players apart Black Moon nama the radio presenters min legend nama saha Bazahara de la shina ngoma ntapa Fadlan no management za happy kurle no PRO nama saha everybody was there karadachan fe nyanga pa yes maybe within the course of yila ma bande bon drop play but nile nyanya nile to drop play ne champ play can produce and drop play ya yes and another one happened that same night ma then nyangone Gafachi the rich rapper Gafachi banyala ngu mania no drop album 2 interviews kamino na ma album shall on drop ma obole no real is real album and la particular album ma trust me yili shanga dem bere pune the video shanga dem bere pune if you listen to any of the songs ma I'm believing the Gafachi has really grown as a rapper yila no ma banguna na won gafara de bianin yes na won da nan katar ko bara organize album listening ma den da non la Mike's Pub obara invite la industry players and tepa DJs the presenters and hanan bayin the Mike's Pub to banda non le makara non very standard because halga fachi da performer artist shab on feature on each of the songs dem be album ma puni France kadam da bian Fadlan da bian Wishal da bian and tepa was it Sani or who but feature album man saha or da gala nubol ba kabakana ko performer le track by track ka ko freestyle by freestyle ka industry players ma presenters ma saha ka bugum lyrical content in each of the songs ma karada chamve nyanga partage sa shelmo malmashili ka chante jump on audio mark anya album ma ya Gafachi real is real de be audio mark anto download le ya wum yila ka wum rap ka bang the rappers ben ka rapper be ya na won Gafara Gafachi o yila ma de nyala din chanve nyanga pa yes unko enchele mazal mana ni chele la stories na mama za hazan limani ya kale chaka na de Gafachi yiri ni from the album the possible Farlan ba yila den katana kana mampu yila ye stories mama za hayen chele me song kati chante de talan kalama ti yen de talan kalama is just going to be a flash of a break ka start with the interview ya pa chakantega ka bang na Mr. Red Absonic Motors Absonic showroom shall be wata wasipa dango mazo o banyala ngumbe arsikiti mapuno ka program ma ka de kanama ya on a very quick one chakana ko kole Mr. Red Motors ma lala Mr. Red Motors ma Absonic showroom shall be wata wasipa dango mazo na won Gafara bana fukum bana sufukum si na Absonic moto balle kamza ha dinan ka bor la Absonic moto shall be de combien la Batman type ma bala Antonio Yale Nimane Waljira type ma Antonio Yale Nimane Jaguar ntapa V5 na lala bumo ne shall style la deza Yale Nimane yelo ka bora moto kin ka bora Benali moto num ka bora na won Gafara Antonio Reza ha Mr. Red sania yes ne lala Mr. Red woma won sania na won Gafara puy kana yo amoto so documents dum pum mala shili sangula ya location ma nyale ya pulu ya kayen bunye Mr. Red wata wasapal dango ma so di kunan ka ya ban para luru na ma in chamto ne bela feel free ba ma ne bi anu dirgo so challe kalle anusa Mr. Red Absonic moto showroom ma bala ma ya ka tini mana anya moto no ma no ko pirga pa kalle ratu ne di pa atin te moto ne ya dimi nyala ayida trapulu kanna after run about ma ka ko sergana biela Ghana Water Company no original laboratory ma ay ku yale nyin nombre ci biela de la vogas ya di bala ante moto no ni moto no se anu dirgo so Mr. Red shi to amane be chapulu bala o namba no nyala 0243137223 ntapa 0206163730 Mr. Red once again 0243137223 na 0206163730 Absonic Bashuru mani nye shapulum balaya na won Gafara ulama langu mal branch karbe bupe ya alongo Alhaji Abdallah Motors balama de banyala dembe bupe Alhaji Abdallah Motors run about man bala opposite Kintampo Rural Bank I bought Absonic Motors ngoma anto la nyele bupe yong dundon puni ya yes chekan ku yen sanaka de talang ne labna kan sang la particular interview ma tantana de nye de nas one we dropping some you are featuring Abu Sadek the legend ne de talang kan labna
It's LH on it.
Me against the wall. Kononko. Alone living. I'm inside. Riding alone, but it won't be forever. I'm a hustler just one day, go get better. My time soon come, cause I'm a go-getter. Grinding hard for the paper, cause poverty in my era. Hello with my thoughts, still not giving fucks. From the ghetto, rolling it with the thugs. Legal or illegal, we coming for the rocks. Cash house, got to borrow, whiskey all in the box. On a good day, the love woman love you. Niggas and bitches go swear when I know it's not true. Ubara, where say me is just to use you. Keep the realers around to motivate you. We bury the life of a bitch, it's a big thing. Dreamer wants to get rich. That my school books, but got this streets they teach. I go to a bottle like that, so she they bleach. You go see, them go promise, got switchable phones. Famous, make a famous, got my hustle in my bones. Just one deal, they go to find the corner stores about people that you want my thing, they go find your own. Of late, go like self, get A1. No like extra careful, choosing no friends, one. Life is a jungle straight to my boss, and it's cold out here. How soon we go see the sun? Coming for acting with this life, it's gonna be fun. Oh, no, solo, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo, go nunco, I'm riding solo. Oh, I'm riding solo, me alone, no, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I know so many boys who look up but I'm anointed. I thought they were friends, I'm disappointed. We will miss them with space, so I expanded. And while I go buy you, I go harvest what I planted. I gonna live a coolie, they come in the spot. To sell it to them, I'm then yellow smata. I go Bajara Kapalan, me over the bar. Well, it takes a lot to be a star. Solo, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo, go nunco, I'm riding solo. Oh, I'm riding solo, me alone, no, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo.
Family, I'm inside.
It's LH on it.
saya so kuma za hadar musanin da ya tabarakallah mimiya ka wari ya pupan na furkatun banyabgo man punta Allah bal from the beginning maya. Another great talent of an artist is coming to from Mampulguland Mambala of Israel Zaha Imarshili Yamarisidi na won gafara idin tore biddu ya pupan na yativu azoya na gafara chene kashira annabi Yusuf Shifa yabanya alama ma zo program atiyan no man problem katiyan yal halatna ba ta kaya labna tite ga ka bar na mina send food spices lisi tomato mix and pa why pool electronics and pa apple motors no kuan kios no ma and pa Mr Red Motors Absolonic showroom man balama baran be pa man prono na arziki ka program ka da kan ma ya kamar na rufin yala tulu ma sa haka ne to ko yin chan matite interview ma pune yes min ne shabanyan nan interview ma kamar na rufin ta table from the beginning ma mun yau I mean, a great talent of an artist, high life singer, I mean, very, very lyrically, very deep. Kabagan yulibuni no nash one ko yina mampugo ya almaya na won gafara am minita barakalla ne titin nirfe yaranga nan namla uruchino ku o chanma kashir sapashin nama kachin kashir kambal ba kachin kashir labhiya bazan hanya laban tabdulu na bakana zuwa programa na katinyanya nash one o music band ma antapa ban malu tambara puno kada chanve yaranga ma just little engagement 2 or 3 things katiyen kayala ka drop video ta la video shooting drop zuma yes to bol na samyu da bama yan samyu kamam priyan yal na samyuwa kala nyadi bibiya sasa ya ma dala ba man pulle ya alright tinkara to premier video mata ya do so ya to wala kane nko no la samba marhaba to do no pune chakanyanya dal Thompson kan yestati dal to nyini chan kashirba masal ma fiala alafi yo masa habiula so kamara lafiya ya that's one
manager
karayoya alafiya bene ya aya maga ma branda ma shama ndiye be ma purgu ma o ndi bor na retenita karatija na kama amala shilfu
appointments mon pour gana so yelo ya
Mr. War alafiya bene ya Bishak kam chan fe yarenga that's very great Yes, Mampurgo Polo, the Polo Kale could be North East Region, Mahalka Mampurgo Konko Yale. I mean, beyond the North East Region, Maza, Hatanoniza, Hamar Haba, Kalapur, Kaparo, comes a hand. The Mala Mansi to the Kachan Cantona, so you to Abian Pamka and Dili, the Babanda Yushat years and Tangoma, Biabu to Angelea, now one guy for a carabin, Dumpuno, Kabia, Dumpuno, Kabi, Amman, Nisal Silipuni, Kapu, Nisal Silipunia, Wazubi, the Puna, Kadenta, Katama, Kato, Katina, Biaguni, Yashana, others on no solidity, Katachanti pay to Apunia. Yes, quick one can knock start with Nash one. Nash one can start time on Mansane, because we are going to be talking more about the music now before can manage Sane. I really know Nash Mabu.
A real name Wanyala Nashiro.
Nashiro. Nashiro Kujadi.
Nashiro Nyaka.
Okay.
Full name Yala Musa Nashiro.
Musa Nashiro. Kaswag Malicha Kangalijia.
Kanga is a Kachanash, WAN Passy, Kakano 1.
Nash 1. Oh, okay.
Because immediately artist young woman, in Tomya artist, professionalness.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Kokonya, the kid who tracked a Kalankur Kaja. So you're a Kanchana Kazida. La Duzunya, Kokonya, the Zukansan can pass in Nash 1.
Nash 1. Okay, alright, that's very beautiful. Mampugu Yalama, Tondanka, Yina, Tondanka, Jari, Pashala, Banamjin, Latin Shelley, maybe Kadu Atan Shelley, Tondanka Kujia, Bikaina. Yamani,
Langbinsi.
Langbinsi. Okay. Okay. But Anji Sashel when Yakashia. Nalirugo Makashia. Okay, very well. Dungula Damle Kanyine. Na one Gafara. Yadavia Chando Pune. The Chamber. Yes, okay. You manager and something Nash 1 okay. Tagalona do Arjam Basan Katinya. Umar. Okay, Marijan Payanga. You guys are very supportive in local. Nakana Kabina. That's what I can learn Nasan Katina. But a very quick one. Tia Linyanga and Kanatu, the command and start Gila. And to yet the command and start Gila, the zone of the Bala Bichra, Jumala. Okay, because one chance in high school, Abba, 2004. Okay. Tell the man on Ben. Abba. Tell him I'm my teacher to you. Abba. Okay. From 22 of Parliament. Okay. Wow, that's very good. Roughly, Antuti, come on, Yidishan, Uncle Yili. I mean, I recorded Yidishan in number. You probably Angara 42. 42 songs. Yeah, 42 I mean, songs. Recorded, mastered songs. Mastered songs 20. Okay. I'm 42 songs. Mostly, I recorded. You look at recorder. Oh, you did. Engineers as one. Okay. Because I recorded to be recorded Benzema. Okay. Recorded Tagji. Bazwani. Out of La Yilana, Antuti, come on in music videos about. Video the Bala Kakunga. Yes, my support my can. Okay. Support my own can to come in Labila. So pump standard 2 standard videos camera. The standard one standard 2 videos. Okay, that's great. It's not bad. Sometimes mostly how you learn the manager any day, anytime can support mark and you can go back to that source man and make a good use of it. Alright, your understanding of Mampugu Yilana Mampugu Yali Yila. Chakanaku diga sana katinya. I mean, this time around, the Pashalton and Bambi Canton level come on Tinyar Tabo, so some Jenny, I mean, Behma to Chena, you can see Bandaku Juliana, killing the Yilama, you can understand that this time around the Pandaboma. Anyara Zusum be, Anyara Loyan Sabi, Anyara Nyanga Labu, I let him up with Yalama Yila Sahabi, Zamazahana. Okay. Bishop, I'm doing a similar Laula. In number of Mampuruar music. Okay. Yamani to be announced a casual Kavalabriana. Okay. Because BC and pass it to Zoo. To be pinned in Daniel Azilane, late man around me, so rest in peace. To be pinned in Daniel Abana. So Kabisi in Ampaha to Zoo. Okay. So if I had the channel to the Valabriana. Sapashini and the Donziduma, Tombanakula. Okay. Masapasini Senior High School. Wow. Yeah, we all started together. Okay. Channels are famous for. Okay. So what about promotion? Tell me your promotion. I mean, radio. I mean, spinners. Bangwakubi Nimani. Can you industry players? Okay. But contribution yala wula. Bamura. Okay. Bamura because the Dazima is a radio. Benny channels and Nobe FM. Channels and Eagle FM. Yeah. So Bazama, but you made it. You ma a channel walu. Catch a siba woman like you, mama. You ma Nashwani. Okay. Wow. So
They are doing well. Bloggers, Babini, that's on the
Okay.
pound.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
That's on the pound.
All right. Okay. To come at the layer, I mean, and I mean, I'm sure we launch, we concert. I mean, a project on your own as an artist.
Wait, as I come back.
Labo.
Oh,
Okay. You can shop tissue, no man.
I'm pretty sure.
Can you share it? Okay.
Because I think I'm very sure that I'm gonna little pony.
Okay.
That was my alarm spot. The second one, my and Nabu.
Okay.
Third one, my Yasa Katilab Nabu Yasa Mana Abu Salik.
Oh, okay.
So probably in Taylor 2 album launch.
Wow.
And launch 2 albums.
2 album capabilities.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I don't want to usually you go back. I could shop shoe in my impact. I know shoe Abu Salim no unusually you. Chakana manager Sankatinya. I mean, Nashwan Nang Yabi, the Banang Yilama record, Yabi, the record, hey, will any video, ma, will a new shoe, ma, you before comes to Punaka. I mean, will a nanny chandama, Unpan the Nash 1 mini activities around him. So far, will a character.
Nash 1 Opi the Sunga.
Okay.
Kachan the Sunga.
Okay.
Tamanaho product. To Tuxitoni.
Very well.
The name in Yala, the Bola Tabu.
Okay.
Bola Basumtika was why.
Okay.
So Tenakuba has him that the Bola support nervous and Pasika.
Very well.
No one to. You want to Obela on top.
Wow, wow. Ampa the Nash 1 ma commercially, Ian Zongo Umpata Lapuho. I'm not sure come on radio as in Thailand or seriousness. So bien, you need to be on Mama to Wahala, Kazan the article no that Karamala come on in the one in Yambo shell from artist Mama Mama, or my laughing Yalebu Canimos and John Ampanduma, the Leon in the Kayale, Ampanduma, and Yarkaman Nimwa view to my food.
Nimo do to money. Money more pumps and China industry.
So I did table so bana be canton paying some article at the Bahizo, got taps on Nash 1, the land article Bahiwale.
Akobahi,
La,
the Dama
Lao,
each and thousand Nash 1. Yellow ones at the Nasam you. Can you know that? Also,
okay, all right. Okay, Nilandam Nasari Hachakan can I do Arkamsan? Umarbo, Pumpon be Yelmani, most of his projects, ma. Ninam Kube, Arzikitim Mapuni, in a big Bang Mampuna Karananda, Ulanye in group ma. Be
Mamma, the amount of good my basis wood in the farm.
Oh, okay.
Got a song about farm.
Very well.
So good mamma in a piece with music.
Peace with music.
Yeah.
Okay. Peace with music. Group ma Yulambala. Okay, so you Santa Lela group ma.
My organizer.
You organizer. Okay, okay.
So group man Bambus in the farm.
Abba.
Banzan Kataman cannot support it.
Okay. In could support to Halki in Yamolo de Kana interview. She Jolo Kana.
Can't in the Bansama.
Too much.
The Catare.
So group man.
Yellow Paloma. She will okay. Very well. Okay.
Music. The Shenya group shared and so on nearby.
Very well. Ibiala Nali, who be Ibiala Landisi, I mean,
this with music, the current bishop.
Okay.
Junior.
Oh, Lanya, Iboma Zungle.
Do cook the present Kagana.
Abba, oh, I don't want Jarbe, Oh no, international Kibima. That's very well. That's very well. Yes, Umpunya Lamano Kaman, yes, tap song the Chanfe Yalanga. Because now that your competition for so Chakansan La Pilasare, which was 2020 Mampuru Music Awards Cabrano, and that day Labadan Kadar Nuradila High Life Song of the Year. Yes, to come in a particular awards Kima, na anda dimension Shama. Yelma Sony Yetwa, Pere Karazan TV, that I could some Same. But I was Channel and Cabin in the way, phone and never not putting it. You are getting vote.
It was a pump. Sums Cani.
Okay.
Dangman the Cani. And I was a cat.
Wow.
A cat. bagum ni jilge to andanya
kare su barab la kwa
ara aw ka ku gado
barab tihlati ka
ara
so
ba tilaiti aw kan wono mo da sum sala award
okay
dan karan ngam la mani
yil shatin ya premiers ngoma den dadi award ma be yil shale
like you know that the award man
lala
yes
okay
some you are
yila ma title ma yala some you are درسم سن عشي أو بلاك مانا.
كوتشلا.
جرمايا.
جرمايا. ndezi kana kanya salma.
Aba.
Kanya salma nyaka.
Salma nyaka.
Inu baka kabang yes.
Ma domura imujana maya. Dum kavela. Iri jisalma mapa. Raurumbi.
Kaya salma nyaka.
But درسم سن عشي لنا كان dedicated. Am I the pictures? I'll try and see if my producer can just flash plaque mini award ma then that di sham so that fansha banda vote ka dilema it is dedicated to them kabako kunyela kan no so fiale na award shel banda ma. All right, tell me yila mama let's come back to the song because yila ma punti award kana ba chan kan ba. Okay, yila ma tell us the content, the brain behind the song ma. Dan le dele chaka te sam yila ka bole ne sam yua. So no ishiri.
So nang mashila.
Ah, okay.
Kung ka so tam dayo yung makaburo man so nang mashila. Di kan chance ma.
Storyline ma.
No. So nang mashila.
Okay.
Di nya say ma bi gun channel tamam sa say ma. Indashin nan entity pam ka so san yo.
Aba.
Karinya la ang pam no tuzuna dunia ni. Ikon so sunga. Ikon mala so. Ikon say abawo yung zila yu biyo. Ya sum kani. San yo sun okani
ya to Allah ma
dika ya ban ta ban walgi don wana bati amala jin be ya ba so kan men no the two nun so bi yumi ya nare ka pin interesan yo nti sa benda ta san la ka so ban mashira
akujin mu pambia
akujin mu pambia
ye to azelele mi pambala ma wo zaman sheltum biyo ma ya hani kura banyele na dagba muda sinyela kurle ngo na ampa ya kuru ko te sanga ka sanga ba abu buka zamba ya aze one house ni pela ye pa ya. I mean that's tip of a song.
Yeah.
I mean and a conclusion samla la yirama
conclusion ne soka
but ale nyela war ma ko no anu pro yirama bu muni yete legend mama wa Abu Sadiq
okay
niru ye no yele topam na te nyuno yila punu wula kan yitin no de ndrano ala
wala ko mi hamna ko bizia ambi yele ne de di chantu ni bang di gini.
Okay.
Masha Allah, nda record launch samanda is first album na idun kutu album launch.
Okay.
Nda ma video. Kan nang number nang kane.
Yes.
Seneka. Mamma mango ko nya bindo na kan super music. Ya man no role model nyala Abu Sadiq.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So man ko sargan tamong ma la video ma seneka non tu. Ko gwaka.
Okay.
Kala ma reply ma WhatsApp no mo pam.
Wow.
Wow. So one yala la na kan ntibu number call personally. Ma ya man ni na nya wonzo na nya upcoming artist kala bo usuma kan zo ai.
Aba.
Ku yala no o no yala bota.
Okay.
So ni mo yo yala to ngade nang mala.
To suru nyangala.
U yala mon to pam ama u yala mon to pam ama ubo rusumi ke to asha.
Okay.
So mo ku yala mala neso mbanga mane shi kan lo men to do ma to so mo yuni ka pilo nyala sambiwa.
Wow.
Lala kama yelu ku yalma man to ntiara ku yalma na shwan to bang mana an yarma shango sheka sablan ni mu hay because ma yan bor man bita yi le male
Aba.
kaya man ba ku asaka da ban bita ma
Aba.
man ba no biti. That was what I told him.
Okay.
Kan kunam pili sopo. So man pili sopo na kutu ko man na men na no ton chamna.
Aba.
Kan chanam pa sto bi records ka polo ku tema.
Okay.
So te tara kama pun firin ti andi ni.
Didi.
Ka o tom bazani ai da ban ban wa jin mata. Ku ja za no ga favorite. So kana competition. Ama usura ma ya pam. Na ma tere ko di kan na. Because mini man persian na bi mo no vila mo na sam ni pim duri. So tanda ko na sin kam usura ma. Ku cha ka azab yan.
Da ba mga kanga. All right. I think the idea behind the song Mama Mama, it is very wonderful. And it's still being recorded. Okay, very well. I mean, content in that song Mama Mama, the nyala ba shada mala an fara pam. Ndi be nga ye to awu ala ku bor mo suha. Ya polo ka le be ka le retention program yung ngoma ya Nash One nte pa do ara pema ngone nye shay bono Umar be pema na tamin ba po hayu tab ya ha. Ka kana ne lah bala song ya apart from award shele unda dima ola jila an fara banda den nye music video of Ye Sheldon Daddy award ma ka te bole ne Sam Yu an lama the video ka tem premiere song ya wale ka be bi na le ru ka be lanbin se ka be bi jang be par overseas kon ya kale ku bi te bura ya zama solo kan di tal ma ye nyala la particular video polo ma kati entropia director Anasen Malebo okay
director of all directors
mungu mi I planche ni zankana yoma lazo ka director Anas Kumbale ko mala ka mam progun qualify ni dama do bang ya okay just a minute and we'll take that video ti lamna tin ke yeto apu ne poi katana chapse warama ya den channel on TV ne lamna
money so money kenin shimwa nashwani
Tumango samyombo
samywa ngobe samywa ngobe samywa ngobe samywa ngobe samywa ngobe samywa ngobe nashwani masamywa ngobe samywa ngobe yana talekani katumi duniya puni kipati nan kumage yana kipati nan kolorge kipati nan kuboge dinzugu mamali samsu duniya ni ke kan kamali samse kabrone ke kan kamali tigi ballene zayar samywa nyala ngoma hati suna duniya wa zang mo pupile andola hasada nanda ni ibela duniya ni zang mo pupile nyama ne karan tuma
Shirloja Olar nini kamino sunoja Oja Shirloja Kale nanda karmalo konkoywa Mese sangarle ma Miami Olala nini Karle kosoni sangara ma Miami Duma soni Karpala nini Mangwe swangla Ensamlan bongo kiyoma Ninsala Som hasadae Wayanang manoyura Kaywa yuwa unkuwa Sepam Zo hasadae Sumo Solo na kekanie Jambo Solo na kekanie
yana pajarga ka iyor masamne duniya ne manjiti majila yana bachala ka iyor masamne duniya ne ami tumman numbol pana be kanti san bol be doga ami tumman numboga na be kanti san wala ka mosi yale ne gana kungane fo hanchin yibe go ya yumbure te gana kumbisi fo hanchin yibe go ya sama duniya ne
Menacing food spices, Lizzie Tomato Mix, into Whirlpool Electronics, into Apple Motors, no Koran kiosk nama, Mr. Red Motors, Apsonic Showroom, Dumbe Water, Wasapal down was Oma, Bezahanya Bambi Arsikitima Punaka Programa, Kanakanamaya, on a quick one. Okay, Takanacha, Dito, and Lamanati Yala, Anfa, the Shella Allahenya, from the sponsors Maza Hanan by Indi, but man the Punyala Yendi Monteria, no Gumacho Porcelo Minin Yeshale, but Urala be no common. On a very simple one. To come na the video shaton ko leka kanoma warma mama de yanti chantoni na de nation ka bang na kama ni mo antere ya ta hari nyele la video mama directed by director ana sambalama ngum so bukum da kayina ma miston bi ka Abu Sadik Polanga ko non no pour yina ma ya to ma yina ma min di yalla kam Nash 1 mun su yina ma fo comme si ya ko zan le tana nan amfane kay to abiri punu pa straight up to kan lam na sane I mean content of that song ma tala lam na pulu ya the director was able to tell a story in the music video, and that story seems to be that yada naya tunyo yada denaya hali yada bumbrala kane. Yes, simple videos, very simple, with a simple content to make you understand the story line behind the song ma. Director doesn't la idea man ma being director. Wow, that's very beautiful. A houseboy in ye Jarguma.
Manyonza ukatuma.
Oh, katuma.
Kama nyonza labgang gitman.
Okay.
Yi tumana.
Oh, you do well. Okay. Kapi hako fiel tinyine.
Kapi hako fiel ntamani. So wari pimbon ya bilan tuku bakula mbaho kwa unu disi.
Wow.
Kama ti yituma mpana kubuhu mana kwa maru. Kama ntumu yu aluri tujibu. Udila jiwa kama nkia yu ibia kumlantama. Udia kumoka na jima.
Kaya.
So mangoku dia ko manyu na ngoku yin na ndepile bale bibo
mangoku amna
abazang mata asibti batizi manku na ngonda mimbezin kun na swai
kaya
kabatizi mampana kambele uri tunu kuricha manga asak myself.
Very simple. I mean very simple. Content wa don kutwa me nanga fara hala bir wa bi pande ga yala storyline ma anyele ya zaman television woni yadda den naya ka kunnan bantin nira non to zumo non to biane hal sam yo shala and borma ni la jale amma o ba ku sa to sunu kaman anu ni madala kan mun na labna ni sam yo to ni yel bahabo be ni chuko pa bora nyama man non ta ambo hasamle ni labna abakara na tu yo man na ashel ma mi babu yala ba hal na ande su mu circi aban nan ba da kamata le ni la borma nan man na ni mashallah malakan pa zo o la ilaha illallah afanda ya na to temne nyam dada mu nash na to temne bane kan mun tu ya antru maso kan mun filia ne samsa na ba katiza hanan yim nyam ni salo ni ne truma mun be de ka para na woni mun bora ya ka baka ashi o tamna ka o ye so sande
thank you
o mi jarbo mi ni yala tara all right manager check up papa because video ma I'm very sure that I mean la rete pere puri son kle pere puri ipang man punu kada nang ma video ma nang ma ulan danyere ni mo ulan nyere
video ma wana tarazo tezwanjile pam
aba
from recording zanta pana video mo ya nang easy tete
wow
tezwanjile
okay
zon pen rabane so
wow
pam watin tete son baka de la nyanga
very well Dimina Basantarga, because promotion number I'm very sure that standard and quality of that video ma they need the push pa and you guys are ready for it.
Yes. So not ready.
Okay. All right. Channel level wa anu wasare. I mean peace music ambalama. I mean peace with music. Okay. I group mo ma den nanki I gula mo ma changle shama. Video mo ma ula niya kimal sanjanda ko.
Video ma many pam down the pool. Video ma dinyan chong sem pinyan bili shankar chong ya tisuleza na nga fa.
The chong. Mbo.
Ma wana to many pam.
Nye ni mo hay. Nash 1. Nyunguna mbor na ko yille ma kati nyanya. Ayen son ye to amasham de pool video ma soro na bienu rakpan lo gel ye to ane. So bien barna mo la jeng le bugo so bien na bo no ya bor yimno ka yila ma shel ke ruba bale. Biagumi yeto ambala ma tebe zan wa dance to borma na to gum yeto ashe dembe yila ma punya anfana dem bien samson nen tai ka ta ku ta ka za ta ka biago jele ya la
so ma pam nyimbo video ma
to
tamba video ma trailer
na
pressure ka bateta hale kati amba zo so gun tinya ba ya ba video ma ba la fans ma alkali ni tamba video ma so de su ka chama
kaya
ba jama
to chama bogula
Samywa ngobe Samywa ngobe Samywa ngobe Samywa ngobe Samywa ngobe Samywa ngobe Nashwan Samywa ngobe Samywa ngobe Yani talikani katumi dunia puni Kipotinen kumagi Yani kipotinen kularge Kipotinen kubogi Dinsugu mamali sumsu dunia ni kikana kamali sumse kawarne kikana kamali pi balne zagar samyanye lang mamtama Tizuna dunia wa zangu pupili ndola hasada nanga ni idela dunia zangu pupili nyama na karan tumtuma kala jende ba kana
aba he to guda
Shiroloja Olar nini camino sunoja
aba wozu
Shiroloja Nekale nanda karmalo konkoyua
Mumna
Desa sangarale Miami
oh
Miami Olar la nini Karle kosuni Sangara Miami Miami
Allahu Akbar
Masuni Karpani ni O mangi songa Samle bongo kiyoma
Wayo buhara
Somo hasadaye Uyana mono yura Kayo ham yuwa Nkuwa
Wayo
Salpam Zo hasadaye Zo Sumo
Wayo
Sulo na chekani
Aba
Nijamo
Kaya Nea saya yes hadi da nan kan gida ngoma Karadibu win award Karadibu win the high life song of the year in Mampurugu Music Awards maya nanga fara mamandu ko pala award kan bolle na karkunye one category high life song of the year kazan nashwar ya yes lara kan die no ya but amma mammi ni nirgo pangba be kantanga ka tahndi gila ni chansham so de banu malashi ba den da nan kala la particular yil shel nashwar na ko no the freestyle ngoma the video tun drop ta ngoma yes Karada wini high life song of the year 2020 den da nan kan Mampurugu Music Awards Karada nan la ya yes den lamana ti yala maybe din ka bor gila na ma an yanyele shapulu on social media be WhatsApp number nam shara an yankole den nam zaha Tell to yala di to aya but a very quick one yahamina send the lisi tomato mix where full electronics and tepa Apple Motors Quran kiosk nama and tepa Mr. Red Motors Apsonic showroom dumi wata wasapal dollars ola Mr. Red na pambama san hatum puka paso kama zahan nang banyindi Mr. Lukumano Quran kiosk no puka pa ana Apple Motors ema balama na puka pa apam na menasen pambama zaha thank you so much and tepa the customers the clients ma zaha Mampurugu yalo yo mabe kantan ka be ka program ma yahanite ka na timin nash one yes, on a quick one. Chakatinyanya social media handles ma. Facebook, you don't use that.
If your Facebook,
okay.
Sorry, Musa Nashiru.
Okay.
Facebook name Allah. If your YouTube,
okay.
It's of Nash One. It's of Nash One. It's of Nash. Shift to be like WAN.
Okay, one man yala
WAN.
Okay.
One shall
okay. All right.
WAN.
All right.
So in a WAN, my cash to be like an GH.
Okay.
So you could tell YouTube on sorry Nash One GH.
Okay.
In your video
man. Title man yala
Samyua.
Very well.
America. Facebook. It's on Musa Nashiru.
Very well.
WhatsApp Mungana Mary.
Okay.
The no important. WhatsApp.
Okay.
Kati to see to share link match.
Very well. Very
so
well.
WhatsApp number 024
okay
130 4296.
Okay.
024 130
okay
4296.
Very well. Number na mambala ya hali nan ka babala din nan ka nashwan bodule ma nyi kulle mati screen ma so ya anya number na mana pa ya you just pick it up ka high le kunun ma high to Nash One on sene yila mata be video ma link ma ka bari bable le ya kan le ba ga le kawle ye tapse le kamza ha den nan katimber north hits la den yen nan katimber tudumo na yila na ma kurga na he zancan kurga nu la na won ga fara yila ngoma I promise you this I bor le nyun ko pang ma man ka le la program ma ya kurga na he zancan kurga nu within the course of the week ma yila ma na pile unzur ni ma ya ka ba dolle kan amfani and I want to beg the guys in Mampurugu land ma come on this particular song ma I mean these are some of the songs that we need to be producing and some of the young guys ma look at the quality standard of a song. I mean, that's why if you are doing song for discerning minds, anang the yila, entre asanzal nama, entre ninkura, entre bam mibiago ashile, na won gafara halbi bi bola anati yala, bi ku wum yila ma kanang alhamdulillah tabarakallah, bi yada bi mbiala antum le tushal nama ya, hala ati bon ni kurugu so songsum, na gafara on yala ngun song aya. De son pambinyanga and yila kanama panya the type of songs benang da katunyar poha katunyar yada from Lala Legends Momasa Hananga Yindi. And I beg you guys, please, industry players, Bambini Mani, radio presenters, be public speakers, this kind of songs ma ki promote do fe yalla ya ni ke yalla ti jël for ka ci shia ma ka mer yi la ni moy ka ni mo ha ka za ha ya. Thank you so much. Imam Pam with the particular wonderful of a song ma. Thank you so much. Yes, the puya ka papam on a quick one ma before ka ti chang nyanya changa start with you ni ba la ka ya po ban ka ya po ka to ko ba to ngumda
we ka ti chambe
na
mbulan lui an kawle ti ba ka YouTube ti 2 weeks.
Okay,
2 weeks ma subscribers ma ya yani
aba
viewers ma ya yani
karaso
mbia to hapam video quality ma the content ma ya yele fans ma
no quality ma una big up to you director Anas. I mean this guy is he keeps growing up. He keeps growing. Thank you so much. Akbanga ma Bob Karekama. Thank you so much. Ni ba la ka empo banama
kumar never bela one mpusi.
Okay, to gumla
tunko zo ranjil ma ba ko tabanson ka to mama chanama.
Of course.
Peace with music.
Okay, peace with music.
Yeah, ni kan bu blanca ne. Kan bu tula. Kan bu gumpa.
To la lanya.
Mama ngonkunwa. To puru sungu chana basani.
Okay.
To tilamna, ti arma mana. To sungu chana to dugmana yirsani.
Bo, yedi.
Wonan su yele kam ka te bene.
Talahi.
Ti yibene ka te zampu sumunte Abu Salih policeman.
Okay, legend man.
Yala wanza nuntum.
Of course.
Yala northern legend.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course.
Sanamare ba tarana na yiri tarana la to pusu mchama sana ba yana bantu nuka to mama chantu.
All right, very well.
Tamare Mr. Mohammed Tibla na leru sina high.
Okay.
Headmaster.
Oh, okay.
Zanyala
Na leru sina high headmaster malama. Okay. All right, very well.
Passe Mr. Salifo Sandaway.
Okay.
Sandaway Enterprise na leru zanyala bantu nuka to record the man ngani.
Very well.
To ma samna po ana ngala lu
Royal Majesty.
Intera.
Okay.
Ngala wanzitinya ngari pema.
Okay.
Mchana passe na yiri de mana. Progo de mana. Nyala
ta last one ka empo. O ti yengula na po sa.
I was right.
Pira ba be kat ko
Mr. Dado Yusuf from Market Seller.
Okay.
BMC.
All right.
Chairman Adams.
Okay.
Mr. Nat DDN.
Oi, DDNS male.
Oh,
thank you.
So Ubuta.
Ama oi mbu BMC na ko ban karman na.
No, ba mi na ko kalma sa ko. Ma ko sa ko
ya. Yi mbu ko weke BMC ban karman ba. La. Kambo pa na mbu an ko ngaya do kandi.
Pama yama pumu tenu ka pama tenu la
so pa manga
tumpaya
kaula director Anas
very well
kapuse mba Alhaji Musa Fita me suna sarkin faila
okay
usuma hajera kia
okay
po anti saada
very well
very well
tenu
la anko ga LK Enterprise
okay
yes
all right doar pema abana ko katopika
jibe ku machine lotus to ko ton kuli
la to ko machine lotus to ko aya nana barkana
ko for peace with music
okay very well
pour director
okay
pour president
very well
pour advisor
okay
pour na yellow organizer
very well
pour PR uma organizer bien
okay
pour beza kwa mama Garcia
ti masuya we actor kalbuya tabina na
ma dem sugru ma le to kabila tamam pour ya arba bishima
yes
yeso wane
okay
bachakate malang bata ba
very well
til ang bata ba tinzo ay amati wali tundu yi yina marandima yina so makatete kanjani
of course
na wi sakiki bazwa na bio ibasa mardi makabu makanjana so ya so ne tichele jinwa njenyuri njakutu kayina la bata ba
danin yale all right gbapo ya ka papa ya thank you so much for coming la nyala kati yampu yo man kantanga won katare ka ba NTV tinchana zungo dapsil ngoma man purgo yagle ma za ha tukuto la bol so yiri but whoever mu kamza halira po ya ka papa nin kura afanama asanzalma bambe man purgo yagle ma za ha ban yadda katol program wa thank you so much po ya ka papa pasara na chimba bampiane tansama za ha tansama de ya North East region we bless thank you so much ya ha ne tiga ka ban makasio shula nyala dam na wona zantinye fe pa next week Saturday balama on the 6th of February la shuma kan mana on ya okay yendi kare yen na ya sankara yiri shuma bala na kutira amadi yeto on a very quick one tempo ka paso ko za hanan banyene Mr. Arnold Mashu damle ma nyala de yen Allah har dalmo na won so mati nyafia pale katigina tulula amaliya ma ya ntepa amaliya shanga dan ko bien on etuni if wakila ambitious ntepa Abbas battery bandam sa hanyala bambala amaliya na won so nyafia pa ko on etuni if alright je kan yen san ka puka pa production team maza hanan banyidi man pun yel yesu mo programme ma di jituma kul man progu ya okay hadi kun ka nyem man progu ka fana amanga yene where else ha shabi America shabi Ankara shabi ejura Kumasi tandar ka ale kubi kamman problema ka rashina ve yalanga ya to fuze ka papa mya inye sahanto gwa programa na na barka na ya idin to ribi ya mbere ma ko fuze ka pari pa production team as always thank you so much to puya ka papa Abigail MFA to pasadek afeko job water the CEO of AKB Multimedia yo man kantanga to puya ka papa mya marhaba marhaba yenna dambi yesalma ka bambu hakar kobga no dirgo tonso kanu za per banga to amani ku nyeshel kam ya zalma yim ka sate na kulun ko la ko man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trender we out bye bye salam